Hi gangs! Kuya ko karon para musakay ta sa inaugural flight sa Air France direct Manila to Paris. Before sa flight na sila yung mga inaugural activities sa gate 116. Na yung mga refreshments, ang hatag silang mga gift, and I spotted fellow AvGeek and friend Paolo. Air France is restarting direct flights between Paris and Manila after 20 years of absence and now mag-board na ta, nang hatag silang mga gift nato. And grabe ka warm ang welcome sa Air France. Tara, let's board AF209 and Airbus A350 bound for Paris! Let's go! The crew on this flight was exceptional, so let's check out my seat. Today I'm taking business class, muna akong likuran ng seat 4L. Nindot kayo lang business class, tagang kay mga storage, not pa siya kaning mirror, fresh check mga gangs. And of course, nako'y airfly para wireless. Na siya reading light, dire. Comfortable kayo yung seat, tapos siya adjustable headrest, naidako na screen with lots of entertainment options, and of course kaning nook kay tungod mag-lie flat seat para makatugtag tarong kay 15 hours down ang flight. Usa sa highlight kay tungod grabe ka maayo professional ang crew. Here's my first glass of champagne, one of many. Then ang hatag sila American tickets, so let's